Now that we have practiced how to find the growth and decay factor, let's try to practice with actual real world situations here. Okay. So again, once you read the problem, every information is going to be given to you. All you have to do is write the formula, and then from there, we're going to use our famous TI and Spire calculator to find our answer. Okay, so let's get started. It says, an adult takes 600 milligrams of ibuprofen. Each hour, the amount of ibuprofen in the person's system decreases by about 23%. How much ibuprofen is left after 5 hours? So as you notice, we have to write the formula and then answer our question, which is how much ibuprofen is left after 5 hours. All right, so here we go. Remember, in order for me to write the formula, it's going to be y equals a times the b to the power of x. Again, a is the initial, how much did you start with, and b is going to be of growth or decay factor, which in this case, we are going to either add or subtract from 1. So, as read in our problem, an adult takes 600 milligrams of ibuprofen. That means that that's the initial, that's the A. All right. Each hour, the amount of ibuprofen in the person's system decreases. Again, decreases means it's going down. Okay, so we're going to have to subtract. So it's going to be, all right, let me change my color here. 1 minus, and remember it said about 23%. Again, talking percentage, but I need a decimal. I need to switch it to a decimal. I could just divide 23 divided by 100, or move the decimal place to the left, which in this case is going to be 0.23. Okay, and then to the power of x. That right there is my formula. Okay, but remember, I want to simplify it. Make sure that when you write the formula, you already have the simplified version of it. So y equals 600 parentheses 1 minus 0.23 is 0.77 to the power of x. That's my formula. All right, I'm going to use this to figure out how much ibuprofen is going to be left after 5 hours. Remember in the video when we first started the Nearpod, X, they told you, is going to be represented by time. The question is asking 5 hours, so that's going to be X. X equals 5. All you have to do is use your calculator, the TI Inspire, to put this in there and figure out our answer. What you're going to put in the calculator is going to be 600 times 0.77, okay, to the power of 5. And I'm going to show you in the next slide how to do that in your calculator, okay. Once you do that, your answer is going to be 162.407 milligrams, because we're talking about ibuprofen. Don't forget to label, okay. So that's how we solve for this problem. And again, I'm going to show you how to do this in your TI Inspire.